suffering from severe depression.
Why are you cutting those flowers?
Well, because they're really pretty.
I thought you said you cut yourself because you're not.
I know you You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant. We're just friends, so don't go look at me with that look in your
Chris, say something to your 8-year-old fans.
Oh,
Don't swear.
I'll kill you.
Chris!
Hey, is your refrigerator running?
Yes, it is. Are your doors unlocked?
What? Why?
All right. Just calm down. Just give me a chance to apologize.
For what?
That, for example.
You sneaky son of a...
Watch it. You're in a church.
Are you always this charming, or am I just lucky?
Oh my god, you're such a legend. You make me so wet with your reckless spending. You've gained my respect and you're oh so funny. Please, take me to your mansion and vote me.
You're fucking delusional, so try your best to remember. You
And then I go, you were a sloppy bitch. And I threw it at him, and then everybody was like, sloppy bitch? And even he was like, sloppy bitch?
Get the fuck away from me, you stupid ass fucking bitch! Más te vale que nos des un pinche cuarto, si no ahorita te tumbo los pinches ojos, güey.
Someone tell me what he's saying. What the f is he saying, dude? I don't speak Taco Bell.
That is the stupidest dance move I've ever seen.
Who put you on the planet?
Wake up in the morning feeling like I already despise you.
It don't matter. You don't shut up.
Damn, he really about to rock my shit.
It don't matter. You don't shut up.
Damn, he really about to rock my shit.
I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
The Bible.
This is the Bible.
You question the words of the mighty.
What's up, ho?
Oh.
That's a bad word?
Yeah. Oh, I'm telling your daddy.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah, just go, bro. Right now, hurry up. Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my god.
Is that for me? Yeah. Oh my god, yeah!
Never been kissed. I mean, well, if we were in a band AU, who would be the singer? Gacha, who has accidentally sent someone to the hospital? Who did I accidentally send to the hospital? It's true! Okay, in the band AU, who would be the drummer? In the band AU, who would be the lead guitar? In the band AU, who would be the groupie?
He is looking for Midoriya again. Hey, Midoriya, your dad is here.
My dad? He's back?
Wait, Midoriya, I was just joking.
Sorry, I got so emotional.
Stupid.
If you're not 18, then you're 12. If you're not 18, then you're 12. If you're 17, then you're 12. If you're 15, then you're 12. If you're not 18, then you're 12.
Is that for me? Yeah. Oh my god, yeah!
Yeah, sure. If you don't want to tell me, that's fine. Oh, and thank you.
Kotsky!
I heard!